Hey guys, this is Tim with THP Fishing for Recovery. Look at this dog. This dog loves deer as much as I do. You know, it was raised up around deer and looks out the window at them all the time, but look at here. She thinks the TV's the window, and boy, she loves watching these big bucks. She gets real excited when she sees them. So with that, guys, help us out. Hit that like, subscribe, notification, and guess what? God has no limits, and we'll catch you on the next one. Enjoy old Macy watching these deer. She sure does love them, like her daddy.